Concerned with the population decline of pollinators like bees and butterflies, Emily took to the classroom to educate 4 to 6-year-olds about the issue and how they can help. Her lesson plan includes 2 hands-on activities, an activity booklet to share with a trusted adult, and a pollinator-friendly plant to take home. Emily displayed her project at Florida Gulf Coast University and submitted an article to the Neighborhood Gardener to share with the community the work she was doing to protect pollinators.
What sparked my interest was I went on an urban backpacking trip that the council put on, and I combined that with what I like to do is teaching, because that's what I want to pursue as a career. It has benefited me so well is because then I get to learn new stuff that I wouldn't have ever get to learn, and it gives me more opportunities. I would definitely encourage Girl Scouts to do their Gold Award. It's because it's a good experience and it's just a lot to learn, and it's very fun. I've tremendously grown from it, and it's taught me how to be a leader and how to boost my confidence, is because when I first started at Girl Scouts, I wasn't as confident as I am now. My name is Emily Mayo, and I am a Gold Award Girl Scout.